gas pedal is not hooked up. So no throttle in there yet. A lot of it is that guy. Pretty cool. What else do we need to do, Jacob? Got the crank on the front. It's bad when your crank is dangling. Take him out for the ride home. And we got to wrap up all the chrome windshield pieces over here. So the only pieces that I have not found yet, we got the windshield frame, we got the headlight bars. So we'll have to keep looking around here, see if we can find the headlights. We have not seen those anywhere, right? Where or where might they be? I don't think there's anything else down in these boxes. Is that every box we went through? That one I already went through, put it all in. And we're missing the posts for the windshield. That hardware. I have not seen that, but we got the frame and we've got the glass. It's laying over there. But unless it's tucked and hidden somewhere else, I think we have a trunk, but we're still trying to find and see if there's trunk hardware to carry the trunk. So yeah, we're still looking around. Old trunk. I think it's the old trunk possibly for the car. And there's buffing wheels and all kinds of stuff. And there's stuff wrapped in headlights that are big circle guys. So this is looking like headlight possibilities. So we're gonna carry this out into the open where we can see it better and get at it, because it's kind of buried back in the shop here. So we'll get it out there where you can take a look at it. It's so heavy, it's so packed full of stuff. We've got to get it on a creeper. We got to get it on some wheels or something so we can just move it out into the open, because it's kind of buried back in here, but it weighs so dang much. I can barely pick it up. I think it's got a frame hardware to mount it to the back of the car. There we go, got on the clip. Now we can take it for a cruise. All right, let's see what's in the chest. We need that clipboard. Everybody needs one of those. This is looking more promising. Oh, it's hubcap. Not good. Where's the headlight? Still not looking promising. Except for the trunk. Wrap some dust. $1992, LA time. No wonder this trunk weighed so much. Mystery oil. Never have too much of that. Yep. They had it bolted right to it. I'll have to figure out how that mounts down there. That's cool though. Oh my gosh. No headlights. Still haven't found the headlights. We are on the hunt for headlights. And that's it for now. We're gonna probably pull the car forward a little bit now, and we'll let you watch a little of that action. It's time to use this come along and see if we can get this car moving a little closer to the trailer. No. Oh, I reckon over here. Looking good. Woo! Getting my crank on. We had to take a break for some nourishment. We made good progress though. We're really kicking butt. We got our Dairy Queen. After our much needed lunch, I decided to take Jacob out to some old family homesteads where I used to visit as a kid. And we also paid a visit and paid our respects at the old cemetery where a lot of older generations are buried. Then it was back to work to try to get things wrapped up for the night. Well, we got it pulled part way out and we went through more boxes looking for stuff. We cannot find the headlights. That's the one part we're missing, the headlights and the post still for the windshield. Still looking for. But we got lots of areas to look around. We started getting things laid out here. Found 4 tires. Brand new, wrapped up. They've been sitting for a long time though, so I don't know what kind of shape they're in, but they actually, sidewalls look good. So hopefully they're in good shape. We can use those. Not white walls, but they're still nice new tires. So got the wheels that were tucked back in there. We found those. There, we found the exhaust system. It's down there along with an old bumper. Here's some old inner grills. And anyway, we still got to wrap up, pack up some more stuff in the car, but it's slowly making its way over to the trailer. Here we are, looking pretty haggard, but we're, oh, there's my shadow on the car. Okay, enough with the hand puppets. All right, we are heading out to go stay with some family for the night and get a much needed shower, maybe 2. We need it, but we're shutting it down for the night. But we made good progress today, kind of looking around, trying to find stuff. But we'll keep on keeping on tomorrow, and we'll probably get the car, I'm hoping, in the trailer tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We had a great night with Carrie and Robert, talking about old times and sharing stories. Yeah, in the morning, Robert gave us a great farm tour and showed us his muscle car. This is a 68?
68.
All right. And where'd you find this one?
Actually, in a little ad magazine. We had what they call a little ad finder, and it's just people put their ads for sale stuff in it. And I was just thumbing through it one day, and I saw a picture of it. It was in Pittsfield, Illinois, which is across the river from Louisiana, Missouri, you know.
Okay, yeah.
There you go. There. Good about the extra one. It's just a little 383. They put headers on it. I put a lunar radiator on it to keep it had trouble with heating.
Did it. After the great tour, Robert and Carrie were nice enough to come over and give us a hand to try to get this car in the trailer. Getting it pulled out a little further with the trailer there. Getting tired yet, Robert? It's a good workout, huh? It actually does pretty good. Keep going, you're all right.
I think you need to start turning.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him start cranking here in just a sec. All right, start cranking it back, Jacob. That's good right there.
Okay.
If you need a break, I can come crank away on it.
I'm still good.
Still hanging in there. Yeah, it likes to eat that blanket, but. Okay, start turning to the right. Just right there. Eating the blanket again. Back that way a little bit. All right, take a breather and we'll reset now that we're right at the ramp, I think. And now we can probably get that come along to reach all the way. The power steering, you like that?
You get tired, I'm gonna do it with you.
Okay, it looks like it needs to steer that way a little bit. Yep. Steer it back this way a little bit. Okay. So looking good back under there? Yeah. I think now that the back tires are coming out.
hard now, so I'm going to keep it going.
Yep, let me jump in there. That tire's getting close yet?
Yeah, they're getting
just
close.
about to center off.
Nice. How's it looking centered? It looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Good time killer there.
Quit stalling, huh?
Sorry. I know a break when I hear it.
You're pretty much in.
Are we?
Yeah.
Nice.
You're in.